Have you heard of Palak Patte ki chaat before? If not, then let me tell you, this is a very famous chaat found in Delhi. It's a combination of bhajia and chaat, so you can imagine how yummy-delicious it will be. Let's make the batter for the palak bhajiyas, for which we will need chickpeas flour or besan, little rice flour, salt to taste, turmeric, red chili powder, dhania powder, ajwain or carom seeds, garam masala, a pinch of hing, kasuri methi, crush it between your palms, give everything a mix, and then add water to make a not so thin consistency batter. Beat the batter nicely so that it becomes smooth and our bhajiyas will be super crisp. This is the consistency I am looking for so that it coats the spinach leaves nicely. Take thick curd or yogurt, add salt, black salt, roasted cumin powder or jeera powder and sugar. Whisk it nicely and then keep it aside. Now take a spinach or palak leaf, dip it nicely so that it's completely coated with the batter and then deep fry in very hot oil. If you have big spinach leaves, you can cut it into half and then fry. Flip it so that both the sides are nicely golden brown. Looks perfect. Let's drain the excess oil and then take out on a paper towel. I'm going to take out these little pakoras. We can use these in the chaat as well. Our bhajiyas are ready. You can serve it right away with some chutney. I'm going to give it a different look. So let's add all the chicken and chaat flavor to it. Drizzle a layer of whisked curd on all the bhajiyas. Green or dhania ki chutney, tamarind or imli ki chutney. You can find the recipe for green chutney and tamarind chutney in my channel. So do check it out. I'll link it in the description box. Finely chopped onions, finely chopped and de-seasoned tomato, sprinkle roasted jeera powder, red chili powder and chaat masala. Pour another layer of curd and chutneys. It's up to you how much topping you like in your chaat. Put accordingly. Lastly, garnish with nylon sleeve and pomegranate kernels or anar dana. Don't forget our mini pakoris. Sprinkle it over. It adds a crunch. Take each palak patta and put it on the serving plate. This way the serving plate doesn't look messy. It has to be served immediately after frying so that the spinach leaves are crispy. If you want to impress your family and friends, then try making this chaat in your next party or get together. Everybody is just going to love it. Believe me, even after adding so many toppings, it's still crispy. Let's start by making the Dabeli masala. You can always use the store-bought masala as well. Into a pan, let's add sesame seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds or saunf, few whole red chilies, 5 to 6 cloves, cinnamon sticks. Stir it. We will dry roast the spices at low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. So the sesame seeds are lightly golden brown. I'm going to add coriander powder. If you have coriander seeds, you can add them instead of it. Roast it for another 2 minutes. So the spices are roasted. Now I'll allow it to cool for some time and then transfer it into a blender. And now I'll blend it into a fine powder. Let's blend it. Now let's add red chili powder. This will add a beautiful color to the Dabeli masala. Blend it once again so that the chili powder is well mixed with the masala. So our aromatic and spicy Dabeli masala is ready. Let's transfer it into a bowl. So our spicy and tangy masala is ready. Let's start making the potato mixture. Into a pan, let's add vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, let's add chopped onions. Cook it until the onions become translucent and soft. Let's add chopped tomatoes. Mix it and cook until the tomatoes are mushy. The tomatoes are cooking. Meanwhile, let's prepare the masala paste. For that, I'll take some tamarind chutney and the prepared Dabeli masala. Give it a mix. Add little water if the paste is dry. So the tomatoes are well cooked. Now let's add the Dabeli paste. Mix it well. We make this Dabeli paste so that the Dabeli masala is well blended with the potato mixture. Now let's add the salt. Stir it. Lastly goes in our boiled and mashed potatoes. Stir it so that the potato is well mixed with the masala. So the potato mixture is ready. I'll transfer it into a plate and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. For the latest updates, please follow Akshay Foods on Facebook and Instagram. So our potato mixture is cooled. Let's add the topping layers. First goes in the chopped onions. Press the onions lightly with the spatula. Second layer will be of roasted peanuts. Press it lightly. Let's sprinkle fresh coconut. Next goes in some save, pomegranate seeds and coriander leaves. Press it lightly. So you can see we have got lots of colorful toppings in this masala. Here I have some pav buns. Let's add some tamarind chutney to it. I'll spread some mint chutney. And we'll stuff the prepared masala in the buns. So in this way, all the toppings and the masalas are well incorporated in the dabeli. So similarly, we'll stuff the rest of the dabelis. You can see dabeli has got such beautiful colors. So we have stuffed rest of the dabelis. Let's heat the tawa to toast the pav. We have heated a pan. Let's add butter to it. Let's put our dabeli. We will roast it slightly from both the sides. So the dabeli has got a nice golden color. Let's take it out in a plate. Here I have taken all the toppings. Let's coat the dabeli with the toppings. Similarly, I'll coat rest of the dabelis. So the Kacchi Dabeli is ready. If you like chaat, then Dabeli is no exception. It is one of the best chaat recipes. Spicy, tangy, sweet and crunchy Desi Burger. Do give it a try for your next kitty party or as an evening snack. Raj Kachori is a popular chaat recipe which you can easily find in restaurants and it is considered as the king of chats. It's refreshing and easy to make snack for any party or occasion. I'm going to start by preparing the dough for the kachori. First, take maida or all-purpose flour, suji or semolina, salt, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, baking soda, little garam masala. Usually the kachori is stuffed, but I have added the spices into the dough to simplify the recipe. Give it a mix and then add hot oil. Combine nicely to get breadcrumbs texture. Add little water at a time and make a stiff dough. Cover and rest for 20 minutes. Let's take small portion of the dough and roll it to make it smooth. Put some oil and roll it. Roll it into thin circles just like puris. Now we will deep fry it. Put it in hot oil and it will puff up just like puri. Turn it and fry on both sides. Keep these kachoris at room temperature for 2 hours. You can always make these kachoris the previous day and store it in airtight containers. Raj kachori, as the name suggests, is a royal treat. It's stuffed with a variety of Indian toppings. Let's see what are they. Boiled and chopped potatoes, onion, boiled chickpeas or Dabeli chana, boiled moong, pomegranate, tamarind chutney, red chutney, salt to taste, red chili powder, roasted jeera powder, chaat masala, little black salt or kala namak. Mix everything nicely. There is no particular list of the stuffing. You can create your own version with whatever you have in your kitchen. And our stuffing is ready. Let's keep this aside. Now let's make the curd mixture. Take thick curd or yogurt, sugar, salt to taste, roasted jeera powder. Whisk it nicely until the sugar dissolves and the curd becomes creamy. If you have all the components ready, then it becomes so easy to make any chaat recipe. Let's make our chaat. Place the kachori and break the center and then stuff in the topping mixture as much as you can. Now pour the curd. Next, tamarind or imli chutney, coriander and mint chutney. Sprinkle some chili powder, chaat masala and garnish with onions, sage and pomegranate. So a delicious Raj kachori is ready. Isn't it a treat to your eyes and taste buds? Do give it a try and let me know your experience in the comment section. To make it healthy, we will be baking the puris instead of deep frying it. For that, I'll be using the store-bought puris which are easily available nowadays. You can bake it, deep fry or cook it in a microwave. Choice is yours. I'm going to show you how to bake it and cook in microwave. Place the puris on a baking tray and bake in a preheated oven at 250 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes or microwave for 1 minute. These are the baked puris. Look at the crispiness. The second batch is microwaved and crispy too. Can you hear it? Let's quickly make the pani and the potato filling. Into a blender jar, put mint leaves or pudina, coriander leaves or dhania, ginger slices, a green chili, salt to taste, roasted cumin or jeera powder, rock salt or kala namak, tamarind juice and little water to help blending. Lastly, add sugar. Close the lid and blend it into a smooth chutney consistency. This is how it looks like. Add lots of water. I have taken a large bowl and placed a strainer. Now pour in the green pani. Stir it and keep the residue. We will use it in the potato filling. I guess we need to add more salt, lemon juice and some bundi. Mix well. It looks so green and refreshing. Our tangy green pani is ready. Now let's make the filling. In a bowl goes in boiled and finely chopped potatoes, boiled kala chana, finely chopped onion, pomegranate or anar, green residue from the pani, salt, red chili powder, roasted cumin or jeera powder, chaat masala, a little lemon juice. Mix everything nicely. And our chutpata aloo masala is ready. Our puri, pani and masala is ready. Let's put them together. I'm going to crack the puris from the center and make a hole like this. And then fill in the potato masala. Similarly, let me fill all of them. Here we go. For the plating, I have taken these cute shot glasses. Let's pour in the pani and then place the stuffed puris. You can also add tamarind chutney into the puris. Garnish it with mint leaves and some pomegranate kernels. And our super healthy, quick and easy homemade pani puris are ready. This is crispy and delicious. Try it out and let me know your experience in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay Foods. Eat healthy and stay happy. See you next time. Bye bye.